What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Epic Games. What you need to do is go into your browser and then type in Epic Games. You're going to want to go to the first link. I'm going to leave a link in the description. And then load the page. And then get Epic Games right here. Which is, might ask you to sign in. If it does, make an account. But if it doesn't, just download. You can create an account later if it doesn't ask. Load. Okay. It's loading. It's going to be 54 megabytes. Once you do that, just going to open. And then click install. Click yes. Let it. This might take a couple minutes to install. Click yes. It's updating. I'm not sure why it's verifying an update. Might be new. Yeah. And it's gonna download 418 megabytes. Once this is downloaded, guys, I think you can download Fortnite. It's free on there. Sometimes they have GTA is free sometimes on certain times of the year. I got it for free on my other desktop. But they do that. I think you can buy Red Dead on here too. Let's see right now when it logs in. Click yes. Alright guys, once it's downloaded, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, yep, this is what it's going to look like. Once it's done, you have to sign in with one of your accounts. I actually don't remember my account right now. I have to look on my desktop because I don't want to create a new one. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.